This is Linda. How can I help you?
Linda, just a second here. We just bought a high definition TV, and we used to have a box where we could record programs, and that type of box was not given to us the last time we had service. I've gone over to the branch where y'all are located in Houston, and they were out of that particular box. I don't know what the technical name is of it.
And when was this? This was recently?
Yes, I went over there maybe a month ago. Yeah, they didn't have that type of box, and they said, well, they would call me when they got one, so I could come and disconnect the box I now have and take it over there and exchange it. I presume I have to still do that, don't I?
Let's go ahead and double check on that for you. May I have you verify the name of the address?
You want my name and address?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, it's the box is under Kitty, and the address is 1 Drive, Houston, Texas.
Thank you. And this is Mr. correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is an HD box that you're needing? The high-definition box?
Well, I bought a high-definition TV, and I think I've got a high-definition box. But, yes, I want one where we could record programs.
Okay, the HD DVR box.
Yeah.
Okay, because you're wanting to replace your HD box for a DVR box, but you still want it to have HD, correct?
A DVR?
DVR?
DVR box.
Correct.
Okay, and that's what we want, right?
Correct. The DVR box is what's going to give you the access to be recording shows and be rewinding TV as you're watching it.
That's
and
it.
Then the HD is where it gives you the access to view high-definition channels.
Yeah, I think we have the high def.
Correct. I do see that you have the high-definition.
Yeah, but we need a DVR.
So are you wanting to replace that HD box for a DVR with high-definition?
Well, is that the way to do it? What's
you
the
can
least?
do it that way.
Huh?
You can do it that way, and all you would have to do is take the box into the center and switch it out for the DVR HD box.
Yes, that's true. And the last time I went there, they didn't have one.
Okay, let's go ahead and double check. I haven't. Now at this time, I'm not sure that we're having any kind of shortage on boxes, so you're more than welcome to take the box into the center at this time.
Well, it's kind of hard. I'm an older guy, and it's kind of hard for me to disconnect it and take it in and then find out they don't have it.
Mm-hmm.
And then come back and have to reconnect it. I just wanted to find out for sure if they had one.
At this time, yes, sir. We're fully stocked with boxes, and we do also have the other option where we could schedule a technician out there for you and switching out the box.
And how much is that?
That would be a one-time fee of $16.95.
$16.95?
Yes, sir.
Well, that would be good.
Would you like to do it that way instead?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to set it up that way. Give me one moment. So we're going to get in schedule a technician to come out there and switch out your HD box for an HD DVR, correct?
Right.
Okay. And currently you're getting charged $12.49 for the HD box. Now replacing it for an HD DVR box, instead of $12.49, you would see a charge on there for $20.44.
Okay, so about $8 more?
Correct.
Yeah. Well, I think that would be okay.
Okay. Well, I'm good.
Here's the other question I have, though.
Sure.
You all are advertising all the time for the business connection at $99 a month. And I've got a residential connection here, and it's costing me over $200 a month. Why is mine so much?
Let's go ahead and check on that for you. Let me see what would be a better option for you. Bear with me one more second. Sorry about this delay. Give me one more second. I'm just trying to see what would be the best promotion for you.
Okay.
Now, currently we do have a promotion that we'd be able to honor for you. We have two different promotions, so let me go ahead and advise you of both of them. We have one promotion that would be for $159.99.
Uh-huh.
That includes one HD DVR box in there.
Uh-huh.
That includes all of the movie channels.
Uh-huh.
Your cable, you would still keep the same cable lineup that you have. The internet still stays the same, and the phone still stays the same.
Uh-huh.
The only difference is you would have those additional movie channels included in your account. Plus,
well, that sounds cheaper than what we're paying generally.
Correct. And I don't see that you correct. Okay, so you do have internet. So all three services would be $159.99.
Uh-huh.
Now the only thing is you would pay an additional fee for your extra box. This is a regular DVR box.
Uh-huh.
And your DVR box, let's go ahead and double check. Now, a regular DVR box is going to be $16.44 plus the $3 fee for your modem, $4.95 for the non-published, and $1.99 for your protection plan. So in total, that would be $186.37, not including taxes. Currently, you're paying $174.27.
Currently, I'm paying how much?
$174.27 prior to taxes.
Uh-huh. And in the future, I would be paying, if I wanted that option, it would be how much?
$186.37.
So it's almost the same thing. Huh?
It's a little bit more, maybe about $10 more, but you would have all of those movie channels included in there. And I do apologize. You also get the sports package in there.
Well, sports I'm not particularly keen on, but that's fine. Well, that sounds like better. What's the second one? I think you had a second.
I do have a second one. Now, the second one is going to give you 2 movie channels, plus internet, phone, and cable. That would be at $129.99. Now, with this package, you would still pay the additional $8.95 for your DVR service for your first box, $20.44 for your second box, $3 fee for the modem, $4.95 for your non-published, $1.99 for your protection plan. So in total, that equals $169.32.
Well, the first one sounds better, doesn't it?
I would recommend so.
Okay. Well, let's do that.
Do that one? Okay. So we'll go ahead and do that one and also bring out that extra box that you're requesting as well. Let me go ahead and make these changes for you. And this package promotion is for 1 year.
Okay. Can't make it 3 years, huh?
No, I'm sorry about that.
Everything's going up nowadays.
It really is, especially gas. Gas is outrageous.
You're a good sales lady. You know, that's the first time I ever called and got in and talked to somebody within 3 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Usually you have to wait online for 10 or 15 minutes.
Oh, well, sorry about that.
No problem.
Now, let's go ahead and schedule the date out for you. Now, is there any particular date that you needed me to look out for?
No, I'd like it.
The sooner the better.
I teach school starting in June the 2nd, but I'm here every morning.
Okay.
But I'd like them to do it as soon as possible.
Okay. Now, how about tomorrow? I do have an appointment for tomorrow.
That's fine.
Now, tomorrow, it's not early in the morning, but it is kind of mid-morning brunch time-wise. It is between the hours of 11 and 2.
That's fine.
Tomorrow, okay. So tomorrow, 11 to 2, and what he'll go ahead and do is pick up one of your boxes, your HD box, and he's going to replace it for the HD DVR box. And once he does this as well, he will give you those additional movie channels.
Sounds great.
Is there anything else I'd be able to help you with today?
That's it.
Well, thank you so much for calling. So enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Right, bye.
Bye-bye.